Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can unlink your Google account in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can easily install it from the Play Store. Go ahead and tap on Home and click on the gear icon on the top right hand corner. The next thing you want to do is open your account. Then you can see Google option over here. So if you want to unlink your Google account, just go ahead and tap on Unlink. And you can see that this service can be unlinked as Google requires at least one form of account verification. So you can see the device unlock method option. Go ahead and enable it. After you enable it, go ahead and enable your fingerprint. And you can see the device unlock method has been added. Now you can see the Google. So go ahead and tap on Unlink. And you can easily unlink it. But you must link your Apple account to do that. So go ahead and link your Apple account. And go ahead and tap on Unlink in Google, and then it will automatically be unlinked. It's quite easy and it might help in reducing the data breach as well. So guys, I hope this video about how you can unlink your Google account in Line was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.